Mother of Millions, or Kalanchoe Delagoensis, also called the Chandelier plant, is a succulent native to Madagascar. This plant is so popular as a houseplant or in outdoor gardens in warm climates. In this video I will show you how it's so easy to propagate Mother of Millions from plantlets, and with good care you will have your own endless supply of baby succulents, as this sensational succulent plant is so famous for its ability to produce hundreds of plantlets each year. As your Mother of Millions grow, many small plantlets, similar to buds, grow along the ridges of plant leaves. Gently remove the plantlets from the leaves, place the plantlets gently on the surface of the soil. You can use a container with potting soil, such as a cactus soil mix. The container does not need to be deep. The roots will not be very deep at first, so a large container is not necessary. Don't push the plantlets into the soil. Mother of Millions naturally propagates by dropping its plantlets wherever the plant grows, and don't worry about harming your plant itself by taking many plantlets. The small plantlets will naturally drop from the plant's leaves in late winter and can easily die. Your Mother of Millions plant will have more energy to grow when it does not have to support the plantlets anymore. Water the top of the container gently. The plantlets don't need much water until they make roots. Put the container in a sunny place. A windowsills is good. Keep the soil moist, not wet. Don't forget that Mother of Millions is a succulent, which means it does not need much water, but the plant does need moisture to stimulate the growth of roots. Always make sure you keep an eye on the moisture in the container. Give your plantlets some time, just wait and observe. After some weeks, stimulated by the moisture and the soil, the plantlets grows roots. When the plantlets have grown significant roots, replant your new plants to more appropriate pots. Mother of Millions is resistant to most pests and diseases. That's why this impressive plant makes it a popular choice among succulent beginners and pros alike. I hope that my video will encourage you to try propagating Mother of Millions from plantlets, as propagating Mother Millions succulent from plantlets can be relatively easy. Happy organic gardening!